Hungary, a country many people ignored for years, but now, more and more foreign workers are moving there for factory jobs, industrial work, and European opportunities. Why? Because compared to many Western European countries, entry can be easier, costs are lower, and jobs are growing in manufacturing sectors. But here's the reality. Hungary is not a luxury Europe destination. It is more of a practical, work-focused country. So the real question is, how can you actually get a Hungary work visa in 2026, and is it really worth it? Today, we're going to break down the complete Hungary work visa system, including jobs, salaries, visa process, and real ground reality. Because if you understand this properly, Hungary can become a smart Europe entry option. First, you need to understand one important thing. Most foreign workers in Hungary come through employer-sponsored work permits. Here's how the process works. You get a job offer, employer applies for permit, you apply for visa, then you enter Hungary legally for work. This system is relatively straightforward compared to many Western European countries. Now, let's talk about jobs. Hungary has strong demand in factory work, automotive industry, warehouses, logistics, manufacturing. There are also opportunities in IT, engineering, and business support. Now comes the most important part, salary. Average monthly salary is 900 to 2,500 euros. Now here's the reality. Salaries are lower than Germany or Netherlands, but cost of living is also lower. Now let's talk about expenses. Rent is 300 to 800 euros. Food plus utilities is 300 to 600 euros. So overall, Hungary can offer moderate savings potential. Now comes visa processing. Hungary work visa usually takes 1 to 3 months. Now let's talk about long-term stay. Hungary offers residence permit extensions if you continue working legally. Over time, this can support long-term European stay opportunities. Now here's an important factor, language. English works in some sectors, but Hungarian language can help a lot in daily life. Now let's talk about job strategy. Most people fail because they trust fake recruiters or expect Western Europe salaries immediately. Smart strategy is use verified companies, focus on industrial jobs, gain European work experience, and build long-term plans. Now here's the biggest mistake. Thinking Hungary is a rich Europe country. It is not. Hungary is more about practical opportunities, Europe experience, and work-based migration. Now let's talk about the real strategy. Hungary is best for first-time workers in Europe, industrial job seekers, and budget-conscious migrants. Not ideal for luxury lifestyle expectations or very high salary seekers. Now here's the truth most people don't understand. Hungary is not about status, it is about getting your foot into Europe legally. If you use it smartly, it can open bigger opportunities later. So the final decision depends on you, your goals, your expectations, your strategy. Hungary is not just a country, it is a stepping stone. And if you plan correctly, it can help you move forward in Europe. If you want deep global analysis and practical insights about countries, visas, immigration, cost of living, jobs, salaries, student pathways, and real-life opportunities, make sure you subscribe to the World Guide, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments so you can plan smarter for your future.